How to upload photos or videos to Dropbox account. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so easy and simple. Go to Dropbox. Now this is the home page. All what you have to do is so simple. Just go down here, click on the plus icon. After you click on it like this, now click on upload photos or videos, and you will be able to choose from your gallery or your document and upload anything you want just from here. It's so easy, and I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.